Recluse is one of those trails that might catch you off guard if you're not careful. I know it did for me. It is definitely not boring. It is a blue trail with berms, rollers, and small jumps. It is great to work on your speed and control without getting over your head. Right away, Recluse is really flowy, fun, and playful. This trail is all about carrying speed, pumping rollers, and keeping your speed. This trail is not super technical. It does not really have any rocks on it. It is all just machine-built flow. This is the kind of trail where you can focus on getting into that flow state and riding smoothly. Recluse has a bunch of rollers on there that you can double or just roll through, or manual if you want to, if that's what you like to do. If you like these types of trail previews, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit the like button while you're down there. I'd really appreciate it. With all of the double rollers on there, you can start at the top and start rolling some, and then as you gain speed and confidence, you can definitely start gapping them. This is really fun and a good progressing trail. So let's drop in. So if you want a trail at Spider Mountain that is fun and flowy, Recluse is probably definitely for you. It is a great confidence builder and one to definitely start and warm up on. If you want to see the trail that Recluse feeds into, it is Venom. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe down below so that way you don't miss it on the next Trail Preview Thursday. If you want to see the trail that I liked better than Recluse, go ahead and check out this video right here where I preview it. I'll see you over there.